Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine as the students are going to open. Waiting impatiently. Okay, now today we will discuss as we have done reading practice, writing, everything. For writing, there is something very important. What means while writing, there are something which be um, we should keep in mind that whenever we write any sentence, for example, I am writing, I get up early in the morning, right? So first thing, it start with capital letter, right? And whenever we write a sentence, I must end with a, this is called full stop, right? Full stop. We use it means after that you have completed the sentence. You have said whatever you want to say. And at the end must use this full stop, right? And another thing, a full stop is put at the end of every statement. This is a statement, right? A question mark. What is question mark? Question mark. Uh, First of all, we should start how to form a question, right? For forming a question, we will not discuss all the pattern, right? For forming a question, we need that we start as we have been practicing, we have been learning this, that start with either did, do, have, right? Or with WH words. What are WH words? Why, when, which, where, what, right? And there are some one or two more which are, I don't think so, how and whom also, right? So whenever question start with this, either this, simply this, for example, um, did you go to school? School गए थे आप? Did you go to school? Right? पूछा जा रहा है ना? This is a question. And in the reply, you will answer yes or no. Only yes and no. So this is a question. Whenever this start with this, put this is question mark at the end. Over here, we will not put full stop, only question mark, right? Have you completed your work? Have you completed your work? काम complete कर लिया? Have you completed your work? You will say yeah, yeah. Have you completed your work? So you will say yes, I have. No, I haven't. Right? So this is a question. So at the end, you will put question mark. Right? And whenever question start with just like with what is your name, what is your school name, what is your mother name, what do you do in your free time, start with WH. Why are you sitting here? Why are you late? When, right? These are the, I will not go in detail, but only purpose is that I just introduce this, that question also start with this verse. These words, there are more, but they will be too much for you to learn and to understand. That's why I just introduced this did, do, and have. And these are the WH. Question can be start with this W, did, have, do, or any WH question, right? So we always put question mark at the end. And sure, one more thing I want to tell you. This is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is a we use, and this is the exclamation mark, just like one, and then this is the exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is put of the end of every shouted command. Shouted command, or we can say it is a strong emotion. Surprise. It can be surprise also. हैरत होती है when we use it, exclamation mark, and when there is a strong command, right? So while doing the exercise, I will explain it more. Now come to page number 16. Page number 16 we have in junior English exercise. Page number 16. Page number 16, right? Now copy sentence, put a full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark at the end of each, right? We will do this in class, but for writing in notebook, I will give you something else. Okay, you must write down date and day on your book, Junior English, page number 16. Number one is what you will have to do. You will read carefully that either we will put a full stop at the end, or question mark, or exclamation marks. The bushy tail of fox is called a brush. This is statement, sentence. We will put a full stop. A camel can go for days without water, right? It is not a question or exclamation. Exclamatory sentence means we will not use. यहाँ पर हम exclamation mark we will not use, and not question mark. This is sentence. Have you visited the Tower of London? Have you? Now the word which I have told you, that if we started with it, it means it is a question. Have you visited? क्या आपने visit किया? Have you visited the Tower of London? So it is question. You will put question mark at the end. The Nile is a long river in Africa, right? This is a sentence. Don't you dare do that. This is don't you do dare that. Wish. It is strong command. Dare आपकी हिम्मत कैसे? Don't you dare do that. करने की हिम्मत नहीं करनी. Will you call for me in the morning? Will you? Okay. Question number, number 5. It is a strong command. Shouted command, command, order, like this. So we will put exclamation mark, which I showed on the board. You will put at the end of number 5. Number 6, will you call for me in the morning? Question mark. Our school starts at 9 o'clock. Our school starts at 9 o'clock. So this is sentence. Did you post the letter I gave you? Did. As I introduced this, did question. Beavers can not throw big trees. This is sentence. Sentence. Put full stop. Put that down immediately. This is, yes, this is shouted command. You will do at once, right? You will perform that action at once. This is called a shouted command. Are you sorry you are leaving Liverpool? Are also question. This is also question. Are you sorry you are leaving Liverpool? Question. Just go away. This is shouted command. I will have to do it. This is, so we will put it exclamation mark. Now, I will share some sentences which you will do in notebook. Homework is put a full stop or question mark at the end of each. Full stop or question mark. Today is Monday, right? As you have listened about that where we put full stop, question mark, exclamation sign, but over here only full stop and question mark. Number 2 is, do you get up early in the morning? Number 3 is, when will you go to school? Did you meet your friend yesterday? Next is, it is raining. You live in Karachi. My school name is CAA Junior Model. Do you like biryani? Our country name is Pakistan. Do you like chocolate? No, student. It was all about full stop, question mark, and exclamation mark. Exclamation mark, right? So practice it and make your habit. Why it is not a only topic. Make your habit whenever you do the work to use them. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.